welcome to Psych 101. This video is your Module 1 course overview. It prepares you for the first 5 lessons and how this module is structured. In Lesson 1, we will define what psychology is. You'll learn what makes psychology a science, and we'll also separate psychology from pseudoscience and common sense. Next, in Lesson 2, we'll explore different psychological perspectives. You'll learn how biological, cognitive, behavioral, and humanistic approaches explain behavior. This helps you see problems from multiple points of view. In Lesson 3, we'll focus on how psychologists study people. You'll learn about experiments, surveys, and case studies. You'll also learn why ethics matter in psychological research. In Lesson 4, we examine one of psychology's biggest debates, and that's nature versus nurture. You'll learn how genetics and environment work together to shape who you are. This lesson helps explain personality, behavior, and development. In Lesson 5, we'll take an introductory tour of the brain. You'll learn how brain structures and neurons influence behavior. This lesson connects biology directly to psychology. By the end of this module, you'll have a strong foundation in psychology. You'll understand how psychological knowledge is created, and you'll also be better prepared for Module 2 when we dive deeper into biology and behavior. When you're ready, you can move on and begin Lesson 1. Keep up the good work, and I'll see you over there.